Hey YouTube, short video here. I put the Tundra Pro tires on my truck. Didn't need the forged alloy. Was afraid to end up getting those stolen. Those things are, all four would be around $2,800. Insurance wouldn't cover them if they were gone. These they will cover. Sorry about the lawnmower in the back, but figures I start recording and lawnmowers start. Wheels and tires are OEM. As far as offset, I won't be protruding against the wheel well itself. There's the tire, no issues rubbing anywhere. You get good ground clearance all the way around. So as far as what Toyota ought to have done, I believe they should have put this bigger tire on the off-road package and tow hooks. Why Toyota never put tow hooks on, I think it was an oversight on their part. Where I'll most likely use those tow hooks is when I'm towing a trailer and I go in with my side-by-side to some soft ground and the trailer starts to get bogged down and I get stuck. That's most likely where I'll use the tow hooks to pull the truck out and the trailer. I can't understand, other than Toyota oversight, why they would not have put the tow hooks on. I am baffled at that. So besides a cost-cutting effort, I think it was a total oversight on their part. These pro-size tires are 1.5 inches wider than the stock tire. So for me, a 10-ply tire, heavier sidewalls is where an off-road package really ought to be. So I got great clearance. I don't have to worry about having a larger tire and going off-road and start to hit something. I'm pretty happy. So all in all, I think it was a good move. All right, catch you on the next one.